Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss an idea so bold, it could end our fossil fuel addiction forever. Why 2040 solar farms in space will power Earth. Imagine this, giant power plants floating 22,000 miles above us, harvesting sunlight 24/7, beaming clean energy to every corner of the globe. No more blackouts. No more oil wars. Just endless, guilt-free electricity. Sounds like sci-fi? Think again. From Tokyo to Texas, scientists and engineers are racing to turn this vision into reality. Let's unpack how space-based solar could light up our future, and why the 2040s will be the decade that changes everything. First, let's talk why space. Earth's solar panels are great, but they're at the mercy of night, clouds, and seasons. In space, the sun never sets. Orbiting solar farms could capture up to 40 times more energy than ground-based systems. Think about it, no atmosphere to scatter sunlight, no pesky weather, just pure unfiltered photons. And here's the kicker. That energy could be wirelessly zapped to Earth via microwaves or lasers, converted back into electricity at receiving stations. Japan's already tested this with a 2015 experiment powering a Tokyo suburb from orbit. By 2040, this tech could go mainstream, turning every desert and ocean into a power hub. But how? Speaking of engineering, let's geek out on the tech. These aren't your backyard PV panels. Space solar requires ultralight, ultra-efficient materials. Perovskite solar cells, for instance, promise double the efficiency of silicon and can be printed like newspaper. Then there's the energy beam. Microwaves or lasers? Microwaves are safer. They pass through clouds, but require massive receivers. Lasers are precise but could, melt things if misaimed. Caltech's 2023 breakthrough beamed solar power from space to Earth via microwaves, lighting up an LED. Tiny step? Maybe. But remember, the first airplane flight was 12 seconds. By 2040, this could scale to power cities. Now, the billion-dollar question, who pays for this? Governments? Corporations? Elon Musk's secret Mars fund? The answer, all of the above. The EU's pledged 20 billion euros to SBSP research. China's building a ground station in Chongqing. Even the Pentagon's interested. Imagine forward bases powered from orbit. No fuel convoys needed. But here's the twist. The real money's in selling clean energy to data centers, AI hubs, and green hydrogen plants. Amazon could buy a dedicated solar array to power its servers. Microsoft might lease a beam to fuel carbon capture facilities. This isn't just energy, it's the ultimate subscription service. But let's not sugarcoat the hurdles. Space debris? A single screw orbiting at 17,000 miles per hour could shred a billion-dollar array. Radiation? Solar panels degrade fast in Van Allen belt hell. And then there's the death ray stigma. What if a hacker redirects the beam? Spoiler, it's near impossible. The energy spreads over miles, making it harmless, unless you're a squirrel in the exact center. Still, public fear could stall progress faster than physics. That's why Pilot projects target remote areas first, powering a mining outpost in the Australian outback or a research station in Antarctica. Prove it's safe, then go global. Now let's dream big. By 2040, a network of SBSP stations could supply 30% of Earth's energy. Coal plants? Retired. Gas pipelines? Repurposed. Energy poverty? History. Developing nations could leapfrog the grid era entirely, tapping into orbital beams like we do Wi-Fi. But the ripple effects go deeper. Cheap, abundant energy could desalinate oceans for freshwater, suck CO2 from the air, and power vertical farms to end hunger. It's the ultimate multiplier effect, energy as a fundamental human right. But, and there's always a but, what if this becomes a monopoly? If a single corporation or nation controls the skies, they could hold the planet hostage. Imagine energy sanctions replacing oil embargoes. Or worse, space-based solar becoming the new oil, with orbital territories fought over like 21st century colonies. The solution? Global governance. A solar NATO to regulate orbits, share tech, and ensure no one owns the sun. Ambitious? Absolutely. But so was the Paris Agreement. And with climate disasters intensifying, cooperation isn't optional, it's survival. Here's the kicker. SBSP isn't just about energy. It's about legacy. For millennia, humans looked up and saw gods, myths, and mysteries. Today, we see infrastructure. But maybe, just maybe, harnessing the sun's power from space could reignite our cosmic curiosity. Imagine schools tracking their solar array in orbit, kids learning physics by tuning a rectenna, or artists painting with light from a solar beam. This isn't just tech, it's a new chapter in our relationship with the universe. So, will 2040's skies hum with solar farms? The pieces are in place, cheaper launches, better tech, and a climate crisis forcing our hand. The final ingredient? Us. Voting for leaders who fund the future, supporting startups that take risks, and demanding energy that doesn't cost the earth. The sun's been showering us with free power for 4 billion years. It's time we finally cash the check. If this video electrified your imagination, hit like, subscribe, and join the conversation. Comment below. Would you volunteer to live under the first orbital power beam? And share this with someone who's ready to rethink energy. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't just bright. It's brilliant. See you in orbit.